Good day, folks. This is Chris checking in, but a little bit early for checking out. Checking in for TradeTaxPlus Center of Excellence. This is the last video in this month's series of videos, and we'll deal with the suggested changes to JVs or joint ventures. Now, the suggested change was that all members of the JV are jointly and severally liable for the liabilities of the JV, which is similar, or the tax liabilities, not commercial liabilities, but which is similar to what a partnership would give rise to, or a company if you join it in a company. Now, what we've said is that they need to be maybe careful to identify exactly what the joint venture is and define a joint venture, because you get joint venture companies, then you get joint venture partnerships, and you get joint venture, just two people forming a joint venture. They rejected that and said that the joint venture is what it is. We accept that two parties working together, that would be a joint venture. So that won't be difficult to identify in practice. So they rejected any need for a definition of a joint venture, or a broader description of what might encompass a joint venture. So that was off the table. The second issue was, what they said is the intended change in the legislation was to deal with joint ventures that are not companies. Because if it's a company, then the liabilities vests in the company in any event, the joint venture company. But if it's not a company, then the joint venture partners has the option, or they have the option, to use a joint venture company. If they choose not to use a joint venture company, they must take what comes with it. And the territory that comes with it is that each party will be held jointly and severally liable, as if it was essentially a partnership. So that, as far as we understand, is non-negotiable. That is the way it's going to be going forward. We're just waiting for the final legislation, of course, to be promulgated in Parliament, which will be towards the end of this year. Okay, so you enjoyed these 3 videos for this month. Again, please share it. Knowledge is something that should be distributed as wide as possible. A lot of the complexity we talk about nowadays around tax is not so much to do with difficult legislation. It has to do with a lack of communication. And I think the more we communicate, the more we get an understanding of what the tax is about and how it fits into the environment, the less difficult or complex the tax will appear to be. So let's keep it as simple as possible. For now, it's me, Chris checking out for TradeTaxPlus Center of Excellence.